Here we're asked to order these logs from least to greatest. To do that, we need to actually find the value of each of these. So the way I'm going to go ahead and do this is I'm going to change these into exponential equations. And to do that, I'm basically going to set it up as an equation first, like set it equal to x. I'm going to kind of do that with each of these here and then kind of find what x is equal to. Now, if I was a better math teacher, I'd change up the variables, but I'm lazy, so here we go. Raise both sides to the power of 2 or a base of 2 to cancel that. And I get 32 equals 2 to the power of x. And now I know with exponents, I can just keep multiplying 2 to itself until I find out what that exponent is, which in this case would be 5, because 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Second one here, same idea. I have a base of 10, so I'm going to raise both sides to the exponent with 10 as the base. And I know about my properties of exponents that if I raise something to the power of -1, then that will take the reciprocal of that. So my second one is x equals -1. Next one here, raise both sides with a base of 2. So I get 4 to the power of 3 equals 2 to the power of x. Now here's where it gets a little bit challenging because I need to change the bases so that they are the same. So I'm going to make 4 to the power of 3 the same thing as 2 squared to the power of 3, and then use my power of a power rule here to multiply and see that in this case here, once I have the bases that are the same, I can set those exponents equal to each other, and x is equal to 6. Next one here, raise both sides with a base of 5. 1 over 125 equals 5 to the power of x. Now I need to know not only is it negative because it takes the reciprocal, but it also is to the power of 3 because 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. So in this case here, x is equal to -3. And last one here, raise both to the power with a base of 9. So I get 3 to the power of 5 equals 9 to the power of x. I change the right side here to have the same base. That's wrong, 5. So 3 squared. I use power of a power rule to multiply those. Now that the bases are the same, I can set the exponents equal to each other. Divide by 2. And I have all of my values for these logs. And so if I were to look at all of these, what I can see is that the smallest one is -3, so log base 5 of 1 over 125, that's my first one. Then the second smallest would be -1, which is log base 10 of 1 over 10. Then my next smallest would be orange here at 5 halves, so that's log base 9 of 3 to the power of 5. After that would be my purple here at 5, so log 2 of 32. And our last one here, blue, which is log 2 of 4 to the power of 3. So this here are all of my logs in order from lowest to greatest.